Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to cancel Paramount subscription on Roku, and it will be a full guide video for you. I hope you will watch this video till the end. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. As you can see, we are already in our support.paramountplus.com. I will share this link in the description. Please check this out. And once you visit that place, here you will find out that search article. How can we help you? Here you just need to be write something like cancel, and once you search here, they will give you the suggestion how do I cancel my subscription. Just click over here. Once you click over here, it will take a while and give you some great option how you can cancel your subscription from desktop, Apple device, Google Play Store, Fire device, Roku. So I am going to click on Roku. Then it will take me to next tab, and there you can see we get the all necessary step we need to be follow this out. Here you can see if you wish to cancel your Paramount subscription, please follow this step. From a web browser using your Roku account, sign in your Roku account on myroku.com, click on manage your subscription. The process is simply really easy. I hope this will help you. If you watch the video till the end, I think you already understand how Paramount works and how you can cancel your subscription in Roku. I hope this video was knowledgeable for you. If you think this video was knowledgeable, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. I will catch you in the next video.